To get started, you'll need a few materials and tools. Here's a list of what you'll need to create your concrete stepping stones. The concrete mix was prepared in a ratio of 3:1, consisting of 3 parts sand, 2 parts gravel, and 1 part cement. All dry materials were thoroughly mixed until evenly blended. Then, water was added gradually while mixing to achieve a smooth and workable consistency. After adding water, the mixture was stirred using a hoe until the cement was evenly mixed and the texture became consistent throughout. Pour the mixed concrete into the mold, filling it up completely. Use a trowel to smooth and level the surface, ensuring an even finish. Use a trowel or scraper to smooth the top surface. Place a piece of BRC mesh on top of the cement to strengthen the stepping stone and improve its durability. After your stepping stone has fully set, carefully remove the mold. Gently tap the sides of the mold with a rubber mallet or your hands to release the stone. Next, we proceed with the process of creating the pebble wash finishing. The materials needed for this process are aggregate stones, cement, and water. Mix the aggregate stones with cement until they are evenly combined. Lightly wet the surface of the dried concrete slab. Spread the pebble and cement mix evenly. Level the surface and press it gently to make it compact and even. Remove the excess cement from the surface. After the surface has completely dried, apply an acid remover to clean off any remaining cement residue. This step enhances the appearance of the pebble wash surface, making the texture and colors of the stones more visible and attractive. Finally, apply a sealer to enhance the durability and appearance of the pebble wash. In conclusion, this video demonstrates the process of constructing concrete stepping stones, covering preparation, mixing, pouring, curing, and placement. It highlights the integration of technical knowledge and practical skills in landscape construction, helping learners develop professional competencies in design and site implementation.